In today's episode, I'm going to unbox the Nikon 85mm 1.8G lens. This is the best portrait lens out there in the market. Coming up. Hi everyone, in today's episode I'm going to unbox this brand new 85mm 1.8 lens. This lens is just amazing. You can see right now this is called the best portrait lens out there, and if you want to take your portrait photography to the whole new level, you must get this lens. Or if you plan to become a professional portrait photographer, or you want to establish yourself as a portrait photographer, you must get this lens. This is a must-have lens for all the portrait photographers. And before we go any further, please do subscribe to this channel if you have not already subscribed, and to subscribe just click the big red button below this video, and don't forget to click the bell icon as well. That way you will not miss any new video from this channel. There is a link to this lens in the description section below. You can check out more features of this lens. So let's unbox it.
So this is the box and it has 2 years of warranty, and packaging is good. Box is really sturdy and very good. Let me unbox it and let's see what we have in this. Wow, first of all we have this lens pouch. Let me show you. Okay, you can keep your lens inside it. Let me put it there. Let's see what else we have. We have this, and let me open it carefully. So we have this lens. So first of all we have the lens hood. It comes with the lens. This is the lens hood which you can put over the lens, and this is the portrait lens. You can see, wow, it looks very good and it's made of high quality material. And that's good. Let's see what we have in box. We have this manual and the warranty card. Alright, so with the help of this you can get the warranty for your lens. And let me put this lens hood. You can put your lens hood on the lens, and now this one looks even more amazing. So this is a DX and the FX lens. You can see
hope you have enjoyed unboxing of this 85mm 1.8G lens. This is a best lens. I would suggest once again check out the link in the description section below, and if you plan to buy it, do get this. So thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in the next episode. Till then, keep shooting and unleash the creative in you. Bye bye.